Integrated safety switch with 4 electrical contacts, 2 normally open plus 2 normally closed, 1 normally open plus 3 normally closed. Double insulation. Positive opening. Approved by IMQ and UL. Super technopolymer, a new generation of engineering plastic material, high mechanical performance. Adjustable operating angle, easy and tamper-proof installation. IP67 protection class, complete protection against dust and immersion in water. Fatigue test is performed to check the reliability of the switch actuation system over time. The hinge switch is connected to an electrical device where 2 green and 2 red lights give evidence of the correct opening and closing of the 2 normally open and 2 normally closed contacts. The hinge undergoes repeated opening and closing cycles up to a rotation angle of 45 degrees. The actuation system of the switch is designed to avoid wear of internal components at greater rotation angles up to 180 degrees. The switch actuation system of the hinge proved able to work correctly even after 1 million cycles in compliance with the certification procedure requirements. The dynamic load test is performed by equipment consisting of a steel frame on which a door is fitted by means of a one-hinged safety switch CFSW and a complementary CFMW hinge. The weight of the door itself is 50 kilograms. The door is loaded with additional weights, 100 kilograms on the front side and 100 kilograms on the back side. The total load sustained by the 2 hinges is therefore 250 kilograms. Several opening and closing cycles are repeated to check the performance of the hinges under heavy dynamic loads and during time. The door deflection at a given distance from the door rotation axis is measured by a micrometer and does not affect the proper functioning of the hinge.